Sometimes life breaks us, leaving us lost or unsure of who we are. But every ending hides a new beginning. Restarting your life isn't about escaping the past. It's about learning, healing, and rebuilding with wisdom. This is your moment to rise, renew, and begin again with purpose. Number 1, accepting where you are is the first step toward true peace. Stop fighting the moment, it's already here to teach you something. When you embrace your current reality, you release resistance and create space for growth. Acceptance isn't giving up, it's aligning with life so transformation can begin. Number 2, detaching from the past is not about forgetting. It's about freeing yourself from what no longer serves your growth. The past cannot be changed, but it can teach you. Let go of old pain and regrets. When you release what was, you make space for what can be. Number 3, clarity is power. When you know what you truly want, your energy aligns with purpose. Most people drift because their vision is blurred. Take time to reflect, listen to your inner voice, and define your path. The clearer your intention, the stronger your direction, and the faster you manifest it. Number 4, simplify your environment to clear your mind. Clutter outside creates chaos within. Remove what no longer adds value in your space, your habits, and your thoughts. When your surroundings are calm and intentional, your focus sharpens, your peace deepens, and life begins to flow with effortless clarity and balance. Number 5, big changes begin with small steps. Micro habits may seem tiny, but their power lies in consistency. Each small action, repeated daily, rewires your mind and reshapes your life. Focus on progress, not perfection. Over time, these simple habits build unstoppable momentum toward lasting growth and transformation.